Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. Now today in this video I am going to show you deep neural network introduction. Now see what is deep neural network. Deep neural network means it's a combination of different neural networks. A neural network. Now what is neural network? A neural network is inspired by the human brain. It consists of interconnected nodes called neuron, right? And the main job of neural network is to find the patterns in data, right? So that's called the working of human brain. Now structure of neural network. Neural network consists of three layers. One is the input layer, takes in the data like images and numbers. S- We are designing a neural network to recognize the images and numbers and perform the calculations. Now, second layer is hidden layer, process the data by doing calculations. Now, this hidden layer works in the background, okay? And the output layer gives you the final output, like a prediction. For example, we have given the data in Excel sheet format, right? And inside that Excel sheet, there are some information of the past history of, for example, tobacco consumers, right? Those who consumes tobacco in large amount. So it gives you the prediction that what are the chances of or probability uh, for the mouth cancer, right? So in this way, we use the neural network. Now, what makes it deep? What is the main reason? So a deep neural network has multiple hidden layers. Number one, the more layer, the deeper the network, which allows learn. Wait. So the more layers, as we add more layers, the accurate probability will be achieved. How does a DNN learn? Deep neural network learn. So first of all, the training phase is there. The network learns from a data set. We provide the data set and based on the calculation, the deep neural network learns. Similarly, weight. Now, weight is a variable value and we provide weight for calculation. This is the adjustable number that the neural network uses to make prediction. Because in this machine learning, we provide variable values for prediction because without that we can't predict anything. So one thing is that we are having the CSV of data and the other some variables that we are using. So weight is one of them and back propagation. The network adjusts its weight to improve its accuracy by minimize error, right? So it adjusts the weight also. Now see, I will explain you all. Today is our just introduction to deep neural network. Now, application of deep neural network is image recognition. For example, if you provide an image consisting of different uh, faces or animals, like secondly, natural language processing like chatbot, speech recognition, voice assistance like Siri, or we can say when we use Google application. In that case also it gives you the speech recognition facility. Self-driving car. Now self-driving car requires the object detection. Whatever the hurdles or obstacles comes in front of the car, it should be able to detect. So now let's see the key takeaways that deep neural network are powerful tools for solving problems. They learn from data through multiple layer of neurons and widely used in AI applications like image and speech recognition, right? So let me show you one document. Now, if you see this document, right, non-linear boundary in deep neural network. Now see, this is our two combined data, right? So in deep neural network, with the help of different neural networks, we predict the data. If you see this, with the help of one neural network prediction, we find this, right? This is a line. The data is separated. This majority data is a different thing, and that data, green dots are different. Similarly, with the help of another prediction technique, we find this. And after combining both of them, If you see this, after combining both of them, we can extract the accurate data. That is why the more the layer we add, it becomes more accurate. Now, what we have to do, we will treat both the linear model as an input node which contains some linear equations. Now, if you see, you can see here x is the value, x2 is the value, weight 1, weight 2, and B means bias. Now, what is this bias? I will explain you with when I will show you a practical example, right? Similarly, if you see in the fourth step, when we are having these two, x1 value, x2 value, and w1, w2, we will apply a sigmoid formula. Sigmoid formula. What is the sigmoid formula? It's a formula to obtain the result. I will show you that also in practical. See here, sigmoid. And then in this way, we extract this, first of all, this data. Then architecture of neural network. Now see, we found a non-linear model by combining two linear model with some equations, right? Weight, bias, and sigmoid function. These three things are important: weight, bias, and sigmoid function. So look at this. This is a normal neural network, and we apply bias value and weight value. And finally, we apply the sigmoid function, right? So after applying this sigmoid function, look at this. These are two neural networks, and with the help of these two neural networks, we create one deep neural network like this way. Now, what is all about this? Now, this was all about the theoretical part. In my next video, I will show you by doing some practical example that how it works, right? So guys, I recommend you to watch this video again, and if anything is not clear to you, you can put it on the comment box, and in our next video we will see the same thing in a practical manner, right, in a practical example. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, and in our next video we will see deep neural network with practical example. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.